160 square yard, 3 BHK builder floor. In this kind of a location is a very rare find. I'll give you 3 reasons. 1, it's a 3-side corner property. 2, इसके साथ आपको डेडिकेटेड कार पार्किंग मिलती है सेपरेट गेट के साथ. 3, जिस बिल्डर ने इसे बनाया है, ही इज वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट बिल्डर्स ऑफ रजौरी गार्डन. बहुत एलिगेंट, बहुत सोबर. लेट्स टेक यू ऑन अ टूर ऑफ दिस प्रॉपर्टी. So this is the living cum dining section of this builder floor. It's a very spacious living area with the measurements of approximately 16 by 20. Opposite wallway, you can place an LED over here. You also have a very big space to move around. मैं आपको इसका layout एक बार describe कर देता हूँ. You have a kitchen and a bedroom at the front, and you have 2 bedrooms at the back. So moving through this living area, you have a kitchen. It's a very well designed kitchen, fully equipped, fully functional with this fluted glass partition. Access to the balcony through this UPVC door. You have your microwave, oven, chimney and already installed. This is what a fully modular and fully loaded kitchen looks like. All the equipments are from Elica. You have a Jaguar geyser and the Jaguar wall mounted faucets. You also have a space for RO installation under this double bowl sink. You have sufficient number of drawers and overhead cabinets with pantry which can house a lot of your kitchen items. This is a kind of a kitchen that every home cook looks for. So by the kitchen, here comes your first bedroom at the front of the property. You have an access to the balcony at the front. You have a slider 2-door full height wardrobe, your LED console. You can place your LED TV over here. This is your attached washroom. Now this washroom is also attached to the living area, so your guests don't have to cross the bedroom to use it. And the back you have 2 bedrooms. ये आया आपका second bedroom with the attached toilet. Since this is a 3-side corner property, you have windows in all the rooms that allow for ample ventilation and sunlight to come in. ये आपका 4-door wardrobe up to the ceiling height and your attached washroom. Now this washroom is very elegantly built. You have a full wall vanity with the storage underneath, an ECW and a separate shower enclosure for the wet area. All the faucets and sanitary ware are of the top end brand. From here we enter into our third and last bedroom of the property. This is your LED console. You can install a full-size LED TV over here. It has a lot of ample storage at the bottom. You also have a 2-door slider wardrobe. It's a full height up to the ceiling wardrobe. This is an attached washroom with the vanity, wall-mounted faucets, all of the top end brand. You also have an access to the utility area through this UPVC door. This here you can place your washing machine. This kind of property is a very rare find. Builder is a very credible builder of this locality. बहुत ही अच्छे से ये फ्लोर उन्होंने डेवलप किया है. My name is Chandam Oberoi from Wisdom Estates. Thank you.